Hi dear students, in this class we are going to find the tan inverse of tan-1 and tan inverse of tan-2 value. Before that we have to know the standard value, that is tan inverse of tan x is equal to x when x is belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to 5 by 2. But here for 1 degree the value is 57 degree, 2 degree 114 degree. So now they are asking tan inverse of tan-1. So the one radian is what 57 degree. It is in between minus pi by 2 to 5 by 2. Therefore, we can directly that is equal to 1. And what about tan inverse of tan 2 value? So here 2 radian is nothing but 114 degree. It is less than something value, that is theta. Then 2 radian you can denote it as a pi minus theta, because 114 degree is nothing but less than 180 degree. Therefore you can write it as 180 minus something, that 114, that something value is nothing but a theta. Now that tan inverse of tan of phi minus theta, now tan phi minus theta, this is pi minus theta, belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative, then it is a tan theta, then that is a pi, no change, you have to remember that. Tan pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, because of it is belongs to second quadrant. Second quadrant it is a negative, and phi is there, no change. And now tan inverse of minus theta formula, that is equal to minus tan inverse theta. Therefore it means here you are using that dabba, whatever the value is there, now this is considered as a dabba. And you can finally conclude that the value of that one is minus tan inverse of tan theta. Then you will get a minus theta. Now what is the value of theta? That 2 radian is equal to pi minus theta, then theta is equal to pi minus 2, then minus of pi minus 2, it become 2 minus pi. Therefore tan inverse of tan 2 is equal to 2 minus pi. I hope it is clear. If you are, and in the next class we'll discuss tan inverse of tan 3 is equal to how much. Okay, thank you.